Break. He is breaking an egg into a bowl. Melt. Melt. The ice cream is melting. Spread. Spread. Please spread some butter on this slice of bread. Fry. Fry. She is frying a fish for dinner. Peel. Peel. Please peel a banana for me. Mix. Mix. Mix the flour with 2 eggs. Pour. Pour. Don't pour hot water into the glass or it will crack. Mash. Mash. She is mashing the potatoes. Squeeze. Squeeze. Can you squeeze the lemon into the fish? Pinch. Pinch. He put a pinch of salt on his food. Chop. Chop. I need to chop the vegetable for the dish. Slice. Slice. Would you like another slice of pizza? Grate. Grate. Grate the cheese into a mixing bowl. Boil. Boil. The water is boiling. Roast. Roast. She is roasting the chicken. Bake. Bake. We are baking bread in the oven. Shift. Shift. Shift the flour into a bowl. Knead. Knead. Knead the dough until smooth.